Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how you can create logos, okay, business logos in MidJourney. I intend to make this video short, so let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do to create a business logo is pretty simple. Just go here and now you can simply write your prompts. Just start with business, and then also don't forget to write white background, because it's gonna be easier when you remove the background. You can use this website to remove dot. This is the website. Let me show you actually. Okay, this is the website, and so as I said, all you have to do is just to write here in the prompt business, and then design flat, and also don't forget to write here logo style. This is a very important prompt to create logo, and also write design. If you like your logo to share some traits, some like style of a specific designer, you can here use some designers from here, some of my favorite designers, and you can write here inspired by, and then write their name. And yeah, I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you. Now, also, if you want to remove the text, you can use this website. It's like Photoshop, and from here you can remove text. If you click here, you can remove text, as you can see, and you can also add text, right? So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.